Hi friends, just sharing with you. So now I'm making the fish curry. Yeah. So now I'm making fish curry. See. So right now I've got my pan here. Yeah. Yeah. So now I've got the pan and I'm going to fry this fish. So I put a little bit of mustard oil as you put that cooking. So I put a little bit of mustard oil while frying the fish. Yeah. And then I use the same oil I use in the curry. So I've got the fish also marinated and done here, which I will use, and some I want to fry. And I'm going to brown here some tomato and onion and a green chili a little bit. And I've got my dry masala here. Like I've got, and then ground also ginger garlic. I've got some curry patta and dry and chili here. Yeah. And I've got some mixed masala here, friends. So that is like a dhania, jeera, the normal. Dhania, jeera. You can put any masala, fish masala, whatever masala you like. And garam masala and pepper powder and chili powder. Yeah. So I'm just sharing it with you, yeah, friends. Just fry the fish before putting in the curry, yeah. So I'm just frying the fish first, and I've got the masala ready, so I will make the masala now. So I'm frying the fish, so I put a little bit of mustard oil also in the fish, yeah. So I'll just share with you. Preparing the gravy. So I've got my pan here ready as well. I'll share with you, friends. Share with you. See, I'm frying the fish. It's really frying quite well. Yeah, so don't do it on a slow fire. Do it on a fast fire like this. Otherwise it will break up. Yeah. So now we're just doing the bagan now. The oil is hot. So I'll put in this all this. Yeah. I just put a little bit of oil because I'm going to use this oil as well. Yeah. And then I put in I ground some tomato. I'll share with you. See friends, I put in the tomato and the onions. Yeah. So now this has to fry. Yeah. I did the tadka. Yeah. Now, see your friend? Yeah. So it will fry now. It has to fry. The oil has to come out. You have to fry till that time till the oil comes out. Friends, such lovely aroma I'm getting in the kitchen. See, I've fried all my fish here. So you have to fry your fish. Yeah. And it's very easy to do. Now I'm just trying to get the oil out from there. So the tomatoes have to fry. And the onions, so the oil has to come out. When the oil comes out, you can, masala is raw. Yeah. The main thing is the dish is frying. You have to cook it well. All the onion rawness will come. It has to go. Yeah. Dissipate. Yeah. So 1 minute. Yeah. When it is frying, so this is frying like very well. See, now it's frying nicely. So then I put in my ground spices. Yeah. I put in the spice. And now the oil is coming out. You see the oil coming out? That is frying nicely, yeah, okay. I have to still put coconut milk afterwards. Because I don't grind coconut, it'll take a long time. Yeah, you will always save time in cooking. So you don't spend too much time in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm just sharing it here. Okay, so now the whole recipe, and now I'm putting this. So I put all the masala inside, see? When you put the masala inside, make the fire slow. I put a little bit of oil now. So the masala has to fry actually. Yeah, so I'm just frying the masala. See, it's frying so well. See, friends, see, masala is frying nicely. So get the smell of the masala, no? Then you must put in the water. Yeah, don't let the masala burn. I'm using a non-stick pan. It's very important. Yeah, so I put the masala and you cook. The flame is slow also, so there is no worry. Yeah. So I will just put in some water now. You just have to be careful because when I'm doing the cooking, I don't. Now you can see, so the oil has come out from here, then the masala is fried. See here? Now? Here? So now I'm putting the water. Yeah.